Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Shopify Store, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate your Shopify Store, first, visit the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button on the home page. Enter your email address, a password, and the name of your store in the provided fields. Click on the Create Your Store button. Next, you'll be prompted to answer a few questions about yourself. Select whether you are already selling or just starting out. Fill in your details regarding your business and click Next. Now, you will be directed to your store's admin dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and options available. Next, navigate to the Settings tab in the lower left corner. Click on General to input your store information. Fill in your store's name, address, and contact details. Adjust your store's time zone and currency settings as necessary. After that, proceed to the Payments section. Choose your preferred payment providers and follow the setup instructions. Make sure to enable Shopify payments for a seamless transaction experience. Continue to the Shipping section to configure your shipping settings. Determine your shipping rates and methods based on your target audience. Next, head to the Domain section to customize your store's web address. You can purchase a new domain or connect an existing one. Now, create your initial product listings. Click on Products in the left sidebar and then Add Product. Input details like the product name, description, images, and pricing. Once you have all the product information, save your changes. Next, set up your store's theme by going to the Online Store tab. Explore the available themes and choose one that suits your branding. Customize your theme to enhance the visual appeal of your store. Now, review your store's settings to ensure everything is in order. Once satisfied, click on the Online Store tab again. Toggle your store's visibility to online to make it live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.